Hey folks, I just finished watching Strong Woman Bong Suna, and I think Strong Girl Nam Suna is better because of three key differences. There was only one moment in Bong Suna where nasa panganib talaga yung protagonist. Samantalang yung Nam Suna 6 episodes pa lang, mga twice na yung incident na nangyari na we're genuinely worried for her safety because the stakes are higher. Number 2, Bong Suna focused more on the blossoming romance between yung bida nga natin and Min Yuka, who is the CEO of Aingsoft. It's a company which Bong Suna wants to work for. Yung serial killings, ang mukha lang siyang subplot. In Nam Suna, the focus is really on who runs the drug ring and what the drug can do, nakakapagpalakas ba talaga siya, magiging Nam Suna or Bong Suna ka ba na super strong. And Nam Suna has more than one formidable enemy, including possibly one of those naka-love triangle niya. Number 3, Nam Suna is definitely more powerful than Bong Suna because she can see really far and she can jump high up na almost lumilipad na siya. Unlike Bong Suna, we only saw instances of her jumping down from mataas na place, not jumping up. What I do hope is that Strong Girl Nam Suna will actually end with an explanation kung bakit mas malakas yung women sa family line nila kaysa kay Bong Suna. Although ang theory ko dito is kapag in-embrace mo yung power mo early, I think mas nag-evolve siya down the line. Also, since yung setting nga ng Nam Suna ay sa Gangnam, so if you remember Guksu, yung police na ka-love triangle sa Bong Suna, ni Bong Suna, played by Jisoo, na by the way, congrats, kakabalik lang niya mula military, diba? At magbabalik showbiz na siya. Dun kasi siya na-assign, diba? And dun kasi siya na-assign. So I wonder if magka-cameo lang din siya kagaya ni Bongbong and yun lang. So I'm so excited na for episode 7 in